Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a Thunderbolt video in CapCut PC. Alright, I'm going to select the overlay. I'm going to cut out, select chroma key and select crop picker. Look for strain and then shadow. Alright, can resize and going to blending. Alright, so I'm just going to add the pack, select the nature and select right click. So, and I'm going to add the audio, select the zone pack and just search for the thunder. Let's select the thunder start just for the duration and the zoom length. So this is the final result. Alright, this pack a Thunderbolt video with CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. So thank you so much for watching.